Audio has become a really important part of our lives, whether you listen to podcasts, music, or audiobooks in your everyday routine. But even so, there are still people who need visual stimulation. We want to keep your audience engaged. That's why we introduce you to our 10 best audio visualizer templates for 2022. Let's take a look so you can pick the one that matches perfectly with your project. All the items on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that gives you access to millions of items to enhance your project and take it to the next level. You can find sound effects, music, video templates, Photoshop templates, and everything in between to help you make your project just the way you imagined it, saving you effort, resources, and most importantly, your precious time. You can find links to the featured items in the description below. Number 10. Podcast and Music Visualizer by N-Motion. This beautiful and elegant visualizer is perfect for your podcast. With a white background and black marble textured elements, this template gives an elegant and minimalist look to your project. The visualizer gives a 3D impression that makes this template even more interesting. Number 9. Audio Visualizer by AiddenFX. This colorful visualizer is perfect for your hip-hop tracks. The colorful double waveform gives a really interesting look that will keep your audience hypnotized. There's also a third waveform at the bottom of the template. Did you notice? This visualizer is full of surprises, so what are you waiting for? It's time to surprise your audience. Number 8. Audio Reactive Music Visualizer by Starfall. If we had to use one word to describe this visualizer, it would be EDM. Wait, is that a word? Okay, you get me. This template is perfect for electronic music. With shining neon colors, different types of waveform around the core, and even the animations that simulate a subwoofer synchronizing with the low frequencies of your song. Next time you want to share your electronic music, use this template and drop the bass. Number 7. Wave Music Visualizer by Nail Studio. This template is both epic and relaxing. It matches perfectly with any genre of music. The isometric 3D look of the field reacting to your music looks amazing, and the wave animations that synchronize with your instrumentals or your vocals, it's so satisfying. It's almost like a super futuristic ocean is playing your song. Number 6. Music Visualizer version 1 by Mediastock. This pack is really simple, but it's still really eye-catching. The audio visualizer comes in different shapes, so you can pick the one you like the most. Your social media handles are well positioned, and there are 22 unique styles, so you will never get tired of using this template. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos with tons of assets on display and creative trends to keep you motivated. Number 5. Audio Visualizer, Sound Keys Visualizer, Podcast Visualizer 4K by Razaki. This is one of the most versatile packs on this list. You can use it for your podcast or your music project. This template includes 15 different backgrounds, some aesthetic particles on the floor, or even a template with an album cover mockup. Number 4. Music Visualizer Pack by Ants Design. This beautiful pack is perfect for your Instagram publications. The squared aspect ratio allows you to use it to promote your new songs via your Instagram stories or publish a really beautiful post to your feed. If you want to promote your music on Instagram, don't hesitate to download this pack. Number 3. 3D Music Visualizer by Master Off. With a black and white background, stunning 3D elements with colorful reactive audio spectrums make a really hypnotizing contrast. You can edit the spectrum that projects on every 3D element so you can create the best scenario for your song. Number 2. Podcast Audio Visualizers by Yeti. If you're running a podcast, this pack is a must-have. It includes color gradient backgrounds, text animations, chromatic aberration, and badges of every podcast service. Word on the street is that your podcast is awesome, so we wanted to give you a beautiful tool to enhance it visually. Number 1. 3D Music Visualizer by Nail Studio. Nail Studio takes the number 1 spot on this list. This pack includes 4 different styles of a 3D audio spectrum. The floating elements on the background fit perfectly with the audio waveform, which is framed within a glass-like texture. A video tutorial is included on your download, so don't be afraid to download this pack, because you're getting all the support you need to edit it in your very own style. So that's a wrap. Let us know in the comments what you are using these templates for. What type of music do you play, or what is your podcast about? We'd love to hear from you and the projects you put a lot of love into. By the way, we also put a lot of love into these videos, so it would be great if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You can also click on the video shown on your screen. You'll like it. It's selected just for you.